they have mouth, they have mouth. Yes! Yes, I'm diving.
Good morning. I've not been too well, so I'm literally just in recovery, and my room is messed up. The time is 10:50. I'm going to the market to get hairs I'm going to be braiding. I want to braid my hair. Funny how I have not braided my hair in, like, let's say maybe 2 years. Is it up to 2 years? Yes, I think it's up to 2 years. I've not braided my hair. I've done all back, that can count as braids, but I've not really braided my hair per se. I'm not feeling too good, so don't mind my voice. I want to apply my skincare because the sun in the market is like deep crazy. Ow. Lagos is a crazy place. I think I say that in all my vlog. I'm always complaining about how Lagos is a very stressful place. So for today, I'm going to get skincare products. We're doing skincare shopping today. I already have like what things that I need, so I list them down, and whenever I have the money, I just get it. Even if I have like 20 things on my list and I was able to buy 3, that's a lot of achievement, and I'm always grateful for it. Today I have just 3 skincare products I'm about to get, and then I'm going to get braids that I'm going to be braiding my hair with. I already have like a hair relaxer because I want to relax my hair. And yes, I don't like my top. I think I'm going to change it. I think I want to change it. This is my drug stuff. And oh yep, look guys, I show you guys the things. I got a new basket to add to my collection of my baskets. Hi, okay everybody. Guys, hey, sorry, I just started recording. Doesn't matter, don't worry. So guys, I already changed my shirt. I don't know, how does this look? My scarf, it looks weird. Snail muslin is finished, like literally finished, because I'm using it for makeup. See, nothing. Who elected Tinubu? Who did this to us? Because look at this. I've never been out of skincare the way that I am now. But yeah, they're finished as in finished. Yeah, allergic to dust, so I hate Harmattan season because I'm not in Yankee, so it really doesn't do well for me. And my water always, so you're sticking me to the stairs. Oh my god. Yeah, you shouldn't give it to me.
I have mouth, they have mouth, they have mouth. Yes, I'm diving. No, I have mouth. I have my nose mouth. They can't show me. Hi. My customer so right, go now.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections.
Hi guys, so I am back in my room. There is no light, so I don't know. I'm trying to like make lights with my other phone. But yeah, I just finished taking my drip. I don't know. Today was a very hectic day. I was not happy today. I was even not able to get like my hair extensions. And another thing is I changed my phone pouch, so we're in the pink season. Yay! Ooh, this is actually nice. Oh my god, I didn't even need this other light. You know why? I just feel like I rant a lot I feel like I rant a lot. I don't know if this is just me, but I feel like I'm constantly ranting about the craziest things.
But these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside, I keep it quiet. Honesty, I'm the lowest of the lowest. Nothing you can keep it, nobody knows it. I need you to get the fuck on my space. Replacements on the way, we don't play. Pussy's spin like a great escape. I need no drink, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking out and looking up.
Hi guys, good morning. So today I'm going to get things for my hair. My selfie stick is inside. I'm very tired. I'm having breakouts. I don't even know what's going on in my skin. I used something and it's giving me like serious reaction. But yeah, today I'm going to go shop for my hair extensions that I'll be using for my braids. Let's go. This is my feet. You know, the last time I wanted to wear this top, I didn't wear it. And again, see me and these jeans. These jeans free me. Yeah. Oh wow. Is it on? So yeah, good morning guys. Today, nails and lash appointment. That is literally all that's in my schedule. And then making a meal. I need to eat. I want to eat a proper meal. I've not really had a proper meal for days now. The whole day yesterday I ate a salad. That's how crazy it is. I ate a salad the whole day yesterday. So yeah, it's very crazy. Good morning, let's go. Okay guys, this is my outfit. So guys, I'm leaving now. My room is a bit messy, but okay, yeah, we're going to get my nails done. And guess what guys, I drank tea and bread, unlike me, but yeah, I drank tea and bread. Let's go. My room is very messy. Let's go.
Set off my whole body.
height. I don't know, I think I'm liking red. This bag I'm carrying because my iPad is here.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body big as humble like don't be in the humble type. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. Only hope you said the right. I just wanna fit in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Say where the love is like.
You start to lick my ice cream now. They take out.
Give you mother ice cream.
Wait,
You guys use a jazz? Are you guys using jazz on me or something? Esther, did you give me mother ice cream?
There was nobody, no one that run me.
I'm breaking my ice cream.
You run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just love.
Oh my god, that's how you know. It's so fun.
I wanna be with you.
Yay!
I wanna be with you.
Everybody
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Just love. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I been in my mind and where would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.
Give me love on my piano, let me say this everybody like this. Let's go. 1, 2. Everybody. Say. I will talk and eat out to it. Everybody say. Hey. That's right. Say, are you ready to party with me? Are you ready now? Hey, let's sing it one for one. Everybody now, tell me. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take it to South Africa real quick.
shit. I'm too sexy for this shit. You going. Bye, guys.
I don't need like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my